Real-time reports on the overall equipment effectiveness, quicker cycle and delivery times, less downtime, and enhanced monitoring of the product quality. With CSB Line-Control, you control your production and packing lines efficiently and digitally. The control station supplies just-in-time an overall view of all lines and departments directly in your ERP system. The performance data of all lines are compared with the single line components, and the current performance is visualized. In case of malfunctions, the system furnishes you with detailed information and gives you direct access to the individual line components. By permanently monitoring OEE, you can initiate specific optimization and maintenance measures on the plant, production line, and machine levels. The machine view ensures that all data from your machines are available in real time, enabling the comparison of performance data, reporting on the status of maintenance, repair, and cleaning, as well as the analysis and automatic documentation of malfunction details. In addition, the system visualizes and saves all relevant information on the production process, such as the temperatures. This allows you to respond rapidly and to guarantee the efficiency of your machines. CSB Line-Control provides all relevant product and order information for every order directly at the line. Information on batches and procedures can be retrieved immediately. The current actual and expected quantities are displayed, and the setup process is initiated automatically. This accelerates the cycle times while increasing productivity and reducing costs. With CSB Line-Control, you standardize your setup process. The machine settings adjusted automatically to the specific products. Causes of losses can be analyzed in detail, and all steps required to change the setup can be shown on mobile devices. The system also allows for manual or automatic controls to release your production orders, which leads to gains in process reliability. CSB Line-Control provides data on machine productivity and thus simplifies anticipatory maintenance. With CSB Line-Control, machine utilization times become more transparent and losses can be more easily analyzed and diagnosed. Reporting of the overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, enables targeted optimization measures at operative and machine level.